Hello, in this video I will explain you what is Docker and what is the difference between image and container. Finally, I will pull some images after I will run these images. So first I start with what is Docker. Docker is an open source platform that allows you to automate the deployment, scaling and management of applications using containerization. It provides a way to package software into standardized unit called containers, which include everything needed to run the application, such as the code, runtime, system tools, and library. Containers are lightweight and insulate environments that run application consistently across different computing environments. They encapsulate an application and its dependencies, ensuring that it can run consistently on any machine, regardless of the underlying operation system or hardware. Here are some key concepts related to Docker. Docker image. A Docker image is a read-only template that contains the instruction for creating a container. It includes the application code and all its dependencies. Container. A container is a running instance of Docker image. It provides an isolated and portable environment for running applications. Dockerfile. A Dockerfile is a text file that specifies the instruction to build a Docker image. It includes commands to install dependencies, copy file, configure the environment, and define how the container should run. Docker Run is a public registry that hosts thousands of Docker images created by the community. It allows you to share and discover pre-built images for various applications and services. Docker Compose is a tool that allows you to define and manage multi-container application. It uses a YAML file to configure these services, networks, and volume required for your application stack. Docker's Swarm. Docker is a native clustering and orchestration solution for Docker. It allows you to create a swarm of Docker nodes, forming a distributed system for deploying and managing containers at scale. So now I will pass what is the difference between image and container. The main difference between a Docker image and a container is that an image is a static, read-only template, while a container is a running instance of that image. So the Docker image. An image is a lightweight, standalone, and portable software package that includes everything needed to run an application, such as the code, runtime, system tools, and library. It's created using a Docker file which contains the instruction for building the image. Images are typically stored in a registry, such as Docker Hub, and can be shared and reused by multiple containers. Now I will pass. Docker container is a runtime instance of an image. It's created when you start an image using the Docker run command or through an orchestrator like Docker Swarm or Kubernetes. A container is an isolated and executable environment that runs the application with the dependencies. Containers are lightweight, start quickly, and can be easily stopped, started, and deleted. Now I will pass to create or import some image. For import, I need to go to hubdocker.com. For example, I need to import this image. I search here node, I enter here. For example, if I turn here support tag and the respective Docker links, I find all the version for node. So if I do pull directly from here, so I take the last version of node. So I do copy and open command line I will create a folder for Docker. If I search here, I find this folder. This is Docker. I will enter here cd Docker, and I will import this image. First, I need to enter in this folder. After, I will import this image. For example, I need to import another image like Tomcat. I enter here. I do copy for this command and cmd. I repeat again. I turn to the Docker and I will import this image. This word latest, which means the last version. So here I'm waiting for the import this image. After import image, I need to do just refresh here for control if there is all the image. Now I will do a run for this image Tomcat. So it's run, and if I will open the command line and so I can control here from the command line my container. cd Docker, and I can do Docker image for control if there is all the images here in this folder. So here I have Node and Tomcat. From the command line I can to see the log for the Tomcat. But I need to specify the container ID for this container. So I do copy and I will paste here the ID of container. If we can see, this server is startup. So in this video I see what is Docker and what is difference between Docker and container. Finally, how we can import the image, after how we can run this image. Thanks and see you in the next time.